Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a picnic set in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, if you want to make a picnic set, you need to have level 7 in your cooking hobby, and you will be able to unlock the picnic set recipe from Massimo's cooking store. Once you unlock the recipe, you can purchase it, and then you're going to use your stove to make the picnic set. Okay, and I'm going to show you guys the ingredients for the picnic set. This one, you need coffee, and then this one, what is it? Wait, I think it's seafood pizza, and the apple pie, and also fish and chips. Okay, I'm gonna make them all guys. Wait. Alright, now I already have the seafood pizza and apple pie, then the fish and chips, and now it's time to make the picnic set. I'm gonna click on start cooking, and don't forget to adjust the heat level. Done for the picnic set, and I'm going to click on this menu. Okay, I've just made picnic set. Okay guys, and that's how you can make picnic set in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.